am at not Laverton. I am at Altona in request and nobody. There's a 902 smart bus, a 903 smart bus here, not in service actually. Sorry for the people, this is 619M. I bought a train from Newport. The guy in the cab's playing on his phone, by the way, guys.
Too late.
Oh, that was a late person. This is the announcement-y thingy.
Services departing Altona, Platform 1 are the 312 Newport, stopping all stations to Newport, departing in 4 minutes. The 326 Laverton, stopping all stations to Laverton. The 332 Newport, stopping all stations to Newport, departing in 23 minutes.
The next train leaves in 4 minutes.
When travelling with Mikey, remember to touch on and touch off.
We had a co-managed EDI at the front half, and I'm not sure if it's full EDI or just a combination co-manage. It's got the new handle things in fact. Anyway guys, I'm going to have to wrap up this vlog. Goodbye.